Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today we are playing. I'm going to be showing you make how to make the fire in the hall sound in Geometry Dash. So what you want to do, you need to go to the build. Then what to do, if you don't know how I got the build, how I got that game mode, I had an APK. So here's what to do when you're in here. You want to add these blocks here. Then go to the color. Go to the second page. If I get this one, then make it green. Go to edit for make it green. Then we'll press edit object. Then you want to do, let me just make it.
Defeat.
Okay, here's how to do this. So what you want to do, you want to go find the file that has voices and weapons. Where is that? It's 2. I do not have it here. Well, yeah, you want to go to the second page. Do not search and defeat. Go to the next page and go into voice. Find the one that says Cartoon Pirate. Go to the second page. If you see this one, that's the 2 one. The 2 one's fake, and this one's the real one. Use this one and look what it says.
Fire in the hole!
Funny, right? And also, you can also change the pitch like this.
Fire in the hole!
And this. If you even do this. It's funny. Yeah, that's how to get the fire in the hole sound.
Fire in the hole! 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 Fire! Fire in the hole! 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 Fire in the fire in the fire in the hole!
Which I also wanted to do this. Let me just delete these and put the I wanted to do this. Put the fire in the hole. Put the fire in the hole sounds. Fire.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the fire in the fire in the fire in the hole! Fire in the fire in the fire in the fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Oh my God. Yeah, this is how you get the
Fire in the fire in the hole!
yeah, that's how you get the and also let me show you how to get the defeat sound, which I just messing around. So actually defeat sound. And you want to search and defeat. Do not go like in this file or like anything. Just go to from here. Find the one that this one. You ever do that? How to get the feet sound? Yeah, I'm gonna put it too. You can put it like this. That's how you get the fire. That's how you get the. What's this one?
Fire in the hole!
Oh, that's literally so good.
Fire in the hole! 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 Fire in the hole!